Current level, 150.22. The bulls could not overcome the psychological level at 151.00, and the pair is consolidating in the narrow range 150.00, 151.00. If the bears manage to breach the lower border of the range at 150.00, we may expect a deeper correction and a test of the next support at 149.60, followed by the one at 149.46. In an alternative scenario, if the bulls prevail and manage to regain control over the market and violate the resistance at 151.00, then we might expect a further extension of the uptrend towards new highs around 152.00. However, considering the strong appreciation of the U.S. dollar against the Japanese yen that we have witnessed since the beginning of the year, a highly likely scenario is for the bears to make an attempt to reverse the trend, and a corrective downward movement towards the support at 148.72 remains highly likely in the short term.